Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try out a new bandsaw blade from All Pro PGT. Not a sponsor. It's from Amazon. It's 3/4 inch blade, and I've got this dogwood. It was a dead dogwood, semi-dead. I didn't want it in my yard anymore. That's why I'm calling it dead. It's dead now. Anyway, dug it up. Here's a clip from that. So, I'm going to get this thing rolling on my bandsaw and see how well it does. This should have some unique colors in it. I don't know yet. The other dogwood that I've cut up had some blues and greens and whites. So, I'll open it up and see what this thing's got in it. All right, here we go. So this one doesn't really have all the color that the other one does. You can see the blues, a little bit of pink, but I'm going to keep cutting into it. It might change depending on what it looks like toward the center. All right, so I'm gonna open them up now and see what we got. Not a lot of color in these. Come toward the center, it's just got a little bit more. Pretty neat book match right there. Same with this one. All of these could be book matched pretty easily. I had to take the bark off of them. Not too bad. 7 minutes worth of work. I'll show you what the other one, the other dogwood, it's very dry now, but it has some blues, grays. It's got some spalting in it, so it did have quite a bit of different colors to it. This was an older dogwood. I cut it about a year ago. But it has some nice color to it. It's different. Kind of already knew that it was a good bandsaw blade, but you can tell it cuts pretty straight. Not too much of a bend or a curve in the blade. Very sharp right off the bat. Obviously it's going to get dull throughout time, but I've used these blades for a couple of years now. Ever since I've had the bandsaw, I've used them and I've never had any issues with them. So if you're looking for a decent blade, I think it's about $34. They used to be cheaper. I think they was about $24, but you know, things happen. But good blade. I'd recommend it to anybody that needs a bandsaw blade. Mine's a 105 for the 14-inch bandsaw. Jet bandsaw. It's a couple years old, but not too shabby. Cut smooth, cut straight. That's all you need in a bandsaw blade. If I could ask a favor of all of y'all that have made it this far, if you don't mind sharing it with a couple of friends of yours and get the views up a little bit, and I'll keep going what I'm doing. All right, thank y'all for watching. We'll see you on the next one.